Hello, my name is Samuel Casey. I'm the owner of Casey's Exterior Cleaning LLC, pressure washing, soft wash company in Summerville, South Carolina. I highly recommend 180 Sites to anybody who's interested in a new website. I was recommended to them by a buddy of mine, pressure washer in the upstate of South Carolina, and they made the process so easy. Everything, if I had a question, answered. If I had any updates I wanted answered. I had some strange requests, they were able to do it. I'm actually at a job right now that I got from my website. They actually filled out my quote form, which 180 Sites helped me put on my website. And I've actually probably got 10 jobs. I've had the website for less than a month. So it's really paying for itself, and I highly, highly recommend them. I can't imagine doing the work with anybody else. So if you really are in need of a website, I'd give 180 Sites a call or send them an email. Thank you.